Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。And let's see, this is the month of May. 这是5月嘛？其实5月有一个非常伟大的一个节日啊，一个庆祝的。你知道哈？
当然咯，
自己承认一下嘛，对不对？
没关系啦，阿梅啊，
她是一个非常漂亮的母亲，就是我们的 Alice 啊。阿梅
就是母亲啊。
母亲哦，真的吗？阿梅 ，that's mother. Okay, let's teach you terms associated with mother because this month celebrates Mother's Day, right? So. 一开始母亲，你说阿梅就是母亲 ，Okay, that means mother. In Chinese, and I'm sure in Hakka too, when we describe parents, we just say father, mother, which means parents. 父母怎么说呢？
亚爱
啊，亚爱又没有梅，又没有那亚爱就是父母哦。
对啊，亚爱。
亚爱 ，Okay, two different words, but it means parents. All right.
那父母的海陆腔，拉爱。
哦。好饶舌啊，拉
有卷舌音的感觉，
有卷舌，对对，拉爱。Okay, that's a different dialect for describing again parents. All right, sometimes we would say mother and son, mother and daughter. 我们会说母子怎么样啊，母女怎么样啊，对不对？你的小朋友是
儿子，
那我们就叫母子。好，母子怎么说 ？Mother and son.
量字爱，
量字爱又很不一样了。量字爱是
量。就是其实2啊，
量 that means two， 字爱就是儿子跟母亲
量字爱。
Okay, they actually add the number 2 to describe mother and son, or even mother and daughter. 那母女也是量
字爱，我们也是这样子。
就是量字爱。
对，就是母子啊。
Okay, so again, describing two people, so there's that number 2 in the term. All right, let's make a sentence out of this. 我母亲是客家人 That means my mother is Hakka. How do you say that?
阿妹是客家人。
阿妹是客家人 Okay, 阿妹 that means mother. 是客家人 is Hakka. All right, let's review all these terms right here. 母亲很简单的是
阿妹。
阿妹不是那个唱歌的阿妹是阿妹。阿妹 And then parents 父母。
亚爱
And finally, mother and son or mother and daughter, 母子
量字爱
And there you go. To all the moms out there, wish you have a great time and thank you for listening to ICRT.
什么台港？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.